How do I disable theme options from the parent theme? If you use a parent theme like 2012, you will see that it will come with some options by itself. For example, you will find a menu for header and background in the Appearance section. Let's assume that you don't want to support these in your own child theme. So we need to find a way to remove these without hacking the original parent theme. Let's check how they are added in the first place. If I check the links for these options, I find they are using page equals custom background and page equals custom header. I'm using the WordPress function remove submenu page to remove the menus from the screen. This needs to be done at a time after the original theme has defined them. So I add an action in my setup routine for the tag admin menu. And I give it a very low priority like 9999 to make sure it is called after all the other menu setup calls. Then I use the function remove submenu page. The first parameter is the menu slug. In this case it's themes.php. The second parameter is the submenu slug. In this case it's custom background. And custom header. But there is another menu that we need to remove. You can see it only when you select the Themes menu. It's the link to Customize, which will run a live preview that contains the options Colors and Background Image. Removing this one is not so easy, as there is no way you can do it in the PHP code. You need to make the link invisible to remove it from the page. If you check the link, you will see that it has a CSS class hide if no customize. We will use this to make it invisible in a style sheet. I create a new CSS file named admin.css. Here I add a rule, display none, to make it invisible. Now we have to tell WordPress to include the new admin.css file in the admin backend. To do that, I use the action tag admin enqueue scripts. I register the new file here using the wp register style function. Then I make sure it will be placed at the correct position when the theme is loaded. This will be done by calling the function wp enqueue style. When you now check the settings menu in the backend, you will see that all unwanted menus are now gone.